Hi there, welcome to Houston DIY, my name's Ben. Have you got broken, rusty or damaged handles on UPVC windows? If so, stick around and we'll show you how to replace them on this video. Okay, so the multiple properties that I've had and that you have probably got as well out there, that you have UPVC windows, you have the handles on them that get opened and close all the time through the different seasons, and eventually they start to show wear and tear. Obviously, if you've got more expensive windows, they might last a little bit longer. So cheaper windows, or maybe windows you don't open and close very often, will probably obviously last longer. We've got two windows currently in the house that they need to replace. One of the handles is just kind of broke, it's snapped off the actual arm, and another one is just about to do it. So I'm going to use this opportunity to replace them. So the actual handles we've got, I will link to them. I ordered them from Amazon, but you can get them from Screwfix, Toolstation, Amazon, all kinds of places. These were $4.99 each. You can spend a little bit more and you can spend a little bit less. So I kind of went a mid-range, $4.99. So super cheap to replace. So rather than calling someone out to try and fix it for you, I will give it a go. And all you actually will need is probably a screwdriver and a little knife. And we'll show you in a moment what you need those for. So first of all, let me show you the windows that we're going to actually replace the handles on, and then we'll take a look at the handles and get them replaced. Okay, just have a look at these handles. As I mentioned, you can get these all over the place. Cheaper ones may not last as long. But obviously, if you're not so bothered, or maybe you're renting and you need to replace it, then that might be a great option just to kind of get it replaced. So these come with the actual handle itself, and you'll notice it's kind of like a squared kind of pin that goes into the window, and that's what latches onto the mechanism in the window to open and close it basically. These ones I've got come with some caps to go over these little holes here to cover up the screws. So it comes with two caps, two screws, and a key as well for the window. On Amazon, you can actually get multi-packs of these as well. So keep look out for them if you're replacing a few of them. But you can buy them single. I got them single. I got just two single ones basically. Okay, so let's jump over to those windows now. I'll try and get the camera position. I'll show you what's going on and we can replace the handles. Okay, bit of an awkward room to film and record in here because of the echo and the lighting is terrible for recording. Anyway, this is the window. The handle there, it's broken. I'll get close to that just to show you. So what we'll do now is we'll take one screw out that side, one screw out that side, pull the whole handle out, put the new one in, and then obviously fix those screws back into the window, and that should be it. So let's crack on now. Apologies about the lighting, let's get this replaced. As you can see, when the handle's out, the three holes there, screws either side, and for the latch to go into the middle. So we'll put the new one back in now, fixing the new screws in, and then we'll be all done. Okay, much better lighting here. Hopefully you can actually see me. Not that that's a good thing, but you can see what I'm doing at least anyway. So over here, let me just rotate. We've got the window here. So this is the damaged one here. So this is really, really loose. It's about to break off from the pin at any moment, basically. As you can see, we did go for a chrome one in here originally. So I've got a white one. There's no real reason. What I've noticed on the chrome finished one, it does build up a bit of rust on there. So we'll put a white one on. There's no real need for a chrome one in here. So I'll rotate the camera around. We'll get a better look this time what I actually do. But we'll unscrew the old one, stick the new one in. Bob's your uncle. First thing we'll do, we'll use the knife just to pull off the old cap above the screw so we can get to the actual screw. It's usually super simple to do to get that off, so that's off. I'll then use my drill, but you can use a screwdriver, fillet screwdriver, flathead screwdriver would work on this. You don't need special tools to do this. We'll take off the screws from both sides, pull out the handle, that's it. And there we go, those two are out now, so you can maybe see on this that it's super, super loose. Oh, there we go, look. So the pin works its way out eventually. You could probably fix that in there, but to be fair, it's probably, maybe the pin has slipped out. So you probably could fix that, but there is a lot of rust build up on this. There's some kind of, obviously the water's built up on the surface, so it's a good time to replace it. And as I mentioned before, they're only £5 to replace. Okay, so new one, slot it in, screw it in, all done. All sorted, new one fixed, ready to go. This window was a bit stiff before, and I think that's why it's eventually broken, because the mechanism's a little bit stiff. Not so sure why, we might have to check that out. But that handle's now fitted, now working, perfectly functional, all replaced for £5. I did mention it before, but I didn't show the previous one. It does come with a key for each of the actual windows, so that's just a key, standard key that goes into the actual lock on the handle itself. Okay, all done now with those handle replacements. Super simple, super quick, and most importantly, super cheap. £5 a handle, you can't go wrong. As I say, if you're replacing because you're renting and you're gonna get charged by your landlord because you've broken them, super simple, easy, quick fix. I imagine they'll charge you a lot more than £5 if you've got a broken window handle. So hopefully you found the video informative and useful. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. Any questions about what I've done, about anything else, drop it in the comment section. I will reply to all questions and comments. And if you want to follow the Houston DIY channel for more how-to videos, DIY videos, product reviews, tech reviews, and much, much more, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.